What's going on, guys? So we got some parts in for the Supra. So we'll start with the headlights. I bought them used, but they are 97, 98 headlights, and I'm getting new chrome rings for them, and I'm repainting the inside, redoing the lens. They're actually not too bad, so it shouldn't take too long to do. I also have 97, 98 taillights that just came in. So let's unbox them. Well, as you can see, they aren't perfect. This one clearly has some sun fading on it. Some marks around the lens here. It's not too bad. Same with over here, but it is smooth to the touch. So I might end up just getting them tinted if this doesn't sand out. It's easy to see to the naked eye, but on a camera, this side's really bad. They were $125, and I like them. So this can obviously be glued back on. So I'm happy with them, especially for 125 bucks. And when I get brand new ones, I can just sell these. Same with the headlights. It's kind of the game plan. Fix them up, sell them, get brand new ones. Fix those up, sell them, get brand new ones. And I already have the harnesses, brand new harnesses. So today, what I'm going to be focusing on, which I said in my last live video, is getting this tranny tunnel welded in. I'm going to weld it in today, and then seam seal it in and paint and undercoat everything Friday, which is tomorrow. So I'm pretty pumped to start doing this. I'm actually going to set these headlights on and see, or taillights on, and see how good they look. Yeah, that looks way better with 97, 98 taillights, especially with the new color the car is going to be. Those are going to look amazing. It's actually kind of hard to see this stuff here too when it's on the car. Not as noticeable, but like I said, once I'm done with these, you'll barely be able to tell. Wow, those look so much better. Pretty pumped about these. Always like the 97, 98 taillights. Always like the 97, 98 headlights. So pretty excited, and it's, I guess you could say, the cheaper way of doing it, and I gotta put in some elbow grease, but I really don't care. So now I'm gonna pull out the carpet and pull out the seats and go ahead and get this welded in. I gotta send the seat belt off too. Crap, I forgot about that. So ordered new clips for these too, so those should be here soon. I ordered them along with the harnesses for the taillights. yeah, so let's just keep it moving. Alright, well, it's all welded in now. I got the carpet put back in. Ran my few spot welds. I'm going to end up painting all this, sanding it down, and painting it. I'll pull the carpet back, obviously, and fill in all those with seam sealer, and then a couple bolts that go in for the e-brake. That'll all obviously still be there. Not much left. There's a few plugs that apparently I forgot to put in. Let's see. Oh, Jesus, hit my back. That felt wonderful. Now, I think these plugs go right here where if this was a right-hand drive car, this is where the e-brake would be. And I think these holes get plugged, holy crap, with these. But I'm having a hell of a time pushing it in the hole. Not that I ever have a problem pushing things in holes. Just right now, a slight problem. Lubrication. Maybe that'll do it. Or I'm just totally wrong and this isn't where these go. That has to be where they go. I swear this never happens. This is so embarrassing. Oh, there's definitely like a thread pattern on them. So they absolutely have to go in those holes. I guess it's just a matter of trying to thread them in. This is awkward. Yeah, it's not working. I can't think of anything else that those would possibly be used for. I thought, oh Jesus, I thought there was one on the bottom too that went to that little hole underneath, but I guess not. Oh, I put the wrong bolts in that part. I don't see anything over here either. Fucking up these dash panels. That didn't sound good. Alright. Well. Oh shit. This video is getting ridiculous now. Okay, so these bolts are wrong. These actually hold in that little airbag module back here, so that has to get bolted in with these. And I gotta figure out how to push these in. Now I'm gonna paint all this, wipe down everything underneath, sand it a little bit, put a towel over this, and undercoat the shit out of that underside so no water gets in there and roughs everything. Probably use 2 cans of undercoat, and then run seam sealer all along here, all in here, all the way back there as far as I can. So I'm actually not going to bolt this in yet because I got to run seam sealer back there. That's going to be a pain in the ass to do it. It is absolutely going to suck. So that'll be very interesting. I think that's pretty far back there. I think. Okay, yeah, I can reach the edge. That's not bad. I might actually try to undo that airbag module in there. Alright, let's show you the underside. Let me grab the creeper. Plug in the light. Alright. There's the underside. I thought one of those plugs went in there, so I'm gonna have to figure that out. Let's see these gaps. I might rivet that in. I might drill those out and rivet that in, because welding it's a massive pain in the ass. So I could probably rivet all these in right here. Do one there, 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 here, 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 and then undercoat it. But it's in. So there's huge progress compared to where it was the other day, because it's actually permanently in, as you can see by the welds there and up there, and that one's pig fuck, don't mind that one. Progress, that's all that matters. Progress. Alrighty. Once I get all that done tomorrow, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the aftermath of all that craziness. Alright, well, we're on the next day, different clothes. So I painted all the welds and all the open areas inside of here. So next is I'm going to rivet on the, I think there's a total of 10 areas I'm going to drill and rivet for the spot underneath, and then I'm going to undercoat it. So I'm probably actually going to spray it with paint first, then undercoat it so it's something better to stick to. Down the road, like probably after I retire from my job, I do plan on completely stripping this car down to just the shell. And at that time, then that might get fixed. Which is 11 years from now. So, but for now, this is way better than a cut automatic tunnel. It's not as ghetto, and it will do the job, and after I paint and undercoat all this, it will be fixed. So I'm gonna go ahead and knock that out, and then I'll show you guys. Alright guys, so I ran the seam sealer all the way around, even underneath there. I got it all the way around, top and bottom. So now I'm just waiting for it to dry on the bottom so I can finish undercoating it. And then that's pretty much it. This is in, sealed, done the right way. And I'm actually pretty happy with how it is so far, how it turned out. Then I gotta bolt the oh, excuse me. Oh, been drinking. I gotta bolt the airbag module back in right there, and then start putting the interior back together. So I'm probably gonna finish doing that once the interior is all back in. I'll take some more video of underneath and the interior all back in, and how that shifter panel sits once it's in, and then that'll be it for this video. Alright guys, well, it's all back together, and look at that. That shit looks factory. Very pleased with how this turned out. I mean, everything fit. This piece bolted right on, no issues at all. All the little clips that plug in everything lined up. Let's go underneath the car. Oh. Looks great. Very, very pleased with how this turned out. Shit looks factory. Oh. Don't get it wrong. Massive pain in the ass to do that job, but totally worth it. I'm happy it's done. And now I just gotta wait to get my transmission. Well, I gotta wait to get the clutch back from Spec Clutches and then put the transmission in, finish fixing those, get the rest of the side skirts, get that new piece there for the fender on both sides. I I got a new bumper coming, a new lip. Got to do the headlights, got to do the tail lights, and then the whole car is getting color changed via wrap. Totally worth it. Very happy. I honestly wouldn't have done it any other way, other than the fact that I did it the wrong way the first time, but that's neither here nor there now. So, hope you all enjoyed the video. I'm gonna get back to relaxing because it's the weekend. I'm done with this car for at least a couple weeks. So, I got the headlights and taillights, so maybe I'll film a video after a week or so. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the content. Please, please, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. You subscribing helps me get, you know, more motivation to do more and more projects. I'm not monetized, so YouTube isn't paying me anything. But the more people that subscribe just motivates me to do more stuff. And then after this is done, there's going to be another big project coming, like once the Supra's completely done. I'm talking that head's put on and it's turbo and it's where I want it. There's going to be another very big project coming, so pretty excited. I would love to get more subscribers so I know people actually enjoy what I'm doing. Alright guys, have a good one, and I'll see you on the next video.